Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the Ecozy Nugget ice maker and the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker. In this video, we will explore the unique features of each product, including their ice production capabilities, design, and pricing. Whether you're a fan of chewable nugget ice or need a quick and efficient solution for standard ice cubes, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. The Ecozy Nugget ice maker produces chewable nugget ice, which is highly sought after for its soft texture and ability to chill drinks quickly without diluting them too much. In contrast, the Igloo countertop ice maker produces standard cylinder-shaped ice cubes, which are more common but may melt faster due to their hollow structure. If you prefer a specific type of ice for your beverages, this feature could significantly influence your choice. When it comes to pricing, the Ecozy Nugget ice maker is positioned as a premium option at $199.99, reflecting its advanced features and higher ice production capacity. On the other hand, the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker is much more budget-friendly at just $89.99, making it an attractive choice for those looking for an economical solution without sacrificing essential features like self-cleaning. In terms of daily ice production, the Ecozy Nugget ice maker has a significant advantage, producing up to 33 pounds of ice per day, making it ideal for larger gatherings and parties. The Igloo model, while still efficient, produces 26 pounds of ice daily, which is sufficient for smaller households or casual use. Depending on your ice needs, this could be a crucial factor in your decision-making process. In conclusion, both the Ecozy Nugget ice maker and the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker have their unique strengths. If you prioritize chewable ice and higher production capacity, the Ecozy model is the way to go. However, if you're looking for a more affordable and compact option, the Igloo ice maker is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.